Want to know how to make a Clover Club? I'm going to show you 3 ways to make this delicious raspberry cocktail. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video, not only am I going to show you how to make the original Clover Club recipe, but I'm going to give you 2 alternatives so that you have a little bit more versatility, as well as one hack that can give you your own signature twist on this particular recipe. Now, if you're looking for the best in bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, as I said before, the Clover Club is an amazingly delicious raspberry drink and is the perfect go-to for whenever you're looking for easy gin cocktail recipes. Now, the original Clover Club recipe goes a little something like this. First thing you want to do is take a whole egg, fresh egg, and go ahead and separate the egg white in 1/2 of your cocktail shaker. Now, to find out some more on all the ways to properly incorporate egg white into cocktails, you can go ahead and check out this video right here once you're done checking out this one. Next up, you want to take 4 to 6 fresh raspberries, go ahead and add those to your shaker and give them a nice muddle. Once you've done that, go ahead and add your fresh lemon juice to it. Add 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Now at this point you may be saying to yourself, what do I do if I can't get a hold of fresh raspberries? Whether it's I didn't make it to the market, there's problems with delivery, I don't know, whatever could possibly happen while you don't have raspberries. Well, here's where you're gonna make a little substitution. The next step in the recipe is for you to go ahead and add 1 ounce of simple syrup. But in the event, like I said, that you don't have fresh raspberries, this is the point where you would substitute raspberry syrup in place of the simple syrup. Next up, go ahead and add 2 ounces of gin. I prefer to go with a citrus forward gin for my Clover Club recipe. Add your separated egg white to that, seal your shaker, and go ahead and give it a nice hard dry shake for about 30 seconds. Once that's done, go ahead and add a bit of ice to your shaker, seal it again, and go ahead and give it a nice shake for about 20 to 30 seconds. Once you've done that, go ahead and double strain it into your glass, garnish it with some fresh raspberries, and you're all set to serve it to your guests. Now, whether you're going the original route with the fresh raspberries or you're going to go with the raspberry syrup substitution, you're still walking away with an amazingly delicious and refreshing cocktail. But like I said at the beginning of the video, I have one quick hack that'll help you put a little extra signature twist on the drink, and this is what you do. Right after you've muddled your fresh raspberries, go ahead and take about 4 to 6 fresh mint leaves. Give them a nice spank and drop those in your shaker. Follow the rest of the steps for making the cocktail, and you have Clover Club cocktail with just a little bit twist. Not everybody does it. Something to make yours a little bit more unique. And I've done it a bunch of times, and every guest I've done it for absolutely loves it. Now, if you want to find out a little bit more about all the proper ways to incorporate mint into your cocktails, you can check out this video right here, again, once you're finished watching this one. Now, if you're looking for the best in bartender training to take your skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to Barprints.co and check out our Mixology Mastery course. It is packed with proven systems and frameworks that I've used over the years to take your skills from basic bartending to advanced techniques, most comprehensive training out there. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And for more great bartending tips, tricks, and videos, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.